Hi everyone, my name is Eric Becker, Education Director for Blind Barber. Let's talk about combs. In my opinion, combs are probably the most underrated tool in a men's grooming regimen. So let's talk about one of the main reasons you would use a comb. Not just for styling, not just for detangling your hair, it's also to help distribute product evenly from your roots to your ends. There are a lot of different types of combs, and the one thing I'm always telling my clients is to choose the comb that best suits your hair. So let's talk about the 5 most common types of combs. First up is your general purpose comb. It has normal sized teeth on one side and finer teeth on the other. It's often pocket size, so it's easy to carry around. Let's talk wide teeth. Whether on a general use comb or a dedicated wide tooth comb, wide teeth are generally used for either detangling any type of hair or for combing through thicker, tighter curls. It also gives the most natural looking finish if you're using it to style your hair. The wide teeth almost mimics your fingers in styling or creating exaggerating textures while combing through your hair. Now, in terms of fine teeth, these are more commonly used to create more tension. Great in hair cutting, but also for keeping guys with finer hair more closely packed together. These types of combs will keep your hair densely packed, creating a thicker, fuller appearance to your hair. Next up, a pick or an afro comb. A pick is a great tool for creating lift and separation or combing through the most thickest, tightest, curliest, coiliest hair. It does so without causing any frizz or, more importantly, breakage. A pick can also keep hair in its most natural state without disturbing its curl pattern. Lastly, something that most people don't always get a separate comb for, but for me it's an essential. It's a beard comb. They usually have a double-sided design, one with thicker teeth, one with finer teeth. You can flip them over for either your mustache or for controlling different densities of hair. Beard combs are most notable for being able to tangle thick, coarse, curly hair without causing any breakage. A beard comb is also an essential tool for just maintaining your overall beard health. They help distribute oils either from your skin or from applying a beard oil or a balm.